I want to break free from my life out here and move to Canada forever.
Okay, good day ladies and gentlemen. This is Joy Stephen from IRC News, and I'm coming to you with this data analysis release from the beautiful city of Helsinki in Finland. Today is the 1st of June 2022.
This video may be of interest to foreign nationals and Canadian temporary residents working in other repairers and services jobs with NOC code 7445. We are talking about the AIPP program selection in 2019 and 2020, which will give you some understanding on the number of people being selected in this NOC category for the AIPP program every year. If this is your NOC category, it might help for you to get this data. In 2019, a total of 11 applicants in NOC code 7445 was processed for Canadian permanent residents. And in 2020, no applicants in the same NOC code was processed. We have seen an appreciative reduction in the intakes in 2020 when you compare it with 2019 figures, because the pandemic was raging in 2020 and vaccinating the population was the priority of the government. We expect the numbers to increase in the coming years. The total number of people selected under the AIPP program in 2019, including all NOC codes, was 5,380. And in the year 2020, the first year where you can see the impact of the global pandemic, the total number reduced a little bit to 3,234, which in my opinion was still high. The 2021 numbers should be coming out pretty quick. Please subscribe to this channel for more Canadian immigration data analysis and immigration information. And if you want to become a Canadian permanent resident, please learn more by attending the free online YouTube videos, the links of which are posted on our website, polinsys.com/p. From all of us at IRC News and the Polinsys team, we thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.
But life still goes on. I want some help, Polinsys, Polinsys, Polinsys by my side. I don't want to live alone. Hey, Canada, got to make it on my